was telling me they were getting ready to buy Bitcoin when it was $30,000. I said, I wouldn't do that. I don't even remember who it was. I said, I wouldn't do that. Bitcoin goes down to it hits the basement every October. So it goes down in the fall and it goes up in the spring. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, this is not a recommendation. I'm not saying go buy Bitcoin. But if you want to buy Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, you buy it in the fall when it gets down so low, it feels like the bottom's about to fall out. Then you buy it. When everybody else is scared of it, everybody else is selling, then you're buying. When everybody else is buying, then you start selling. That you got to learn how to play the game, but you got to understand the rules of the game.
Hey everybody, it's your boy, True Fall Boy, aka Paper Bag, here just to say that statement is unequivocally false. But mostly is. And I look back over Bitcoin for the past 10 years to determine if that was a true statement. Let's jump into that. So, Bitcoin, over the past 10 years, I listed the prices in October and I listed the prices in May. We're going to start from 2023 and work ourselves backwards. So here we go. Starting October 2023, $34,667.78. May 2023, $27,000 for $27,499.31. 2022, October, $19,650.53. $31,742.71 for May. There's one. 2021, $58,051.64 for October. $46,620.80 for May. 2020, October, $13,804.61. May, $9,268.51. 2019, October, $9,226.79. May, $8,575.66. 2018, October, $6,428.28. May, $7,494.17. Another one. 2017, $6,468.40 in October, and May, $1,895.38. 2016, October, $700.97. May, $454.62. 2015, $314.17 in October, $249.95 in May. Last year, 2014, $338.32 in October, in May, $486.65. Another one. So out of 10 years, the price in May of that year was greater than the price in October, which doesn't really coincide totally with the statement, because the statement said the dips and the highs, so where it's at, it could be trending still great, start trending up in May and everything. So it might be a time to buy. But based on the statement, I'm not sure. But then again, he did say he's not an expert. But this video isn't really about whether Myron Golden was right or wrong. It's about the way he presented his answer and the belief believe people will have in his statement, just the way he said it and everything. Let's jump into that. So yeah, a lot of people might find it difficult to listen to me just reading off the numbers. Understandable. And the way Myron said his statement and where he's at in life, it's more believable for him to just say something random like Bitcoin goes up in the spring and it dips in the fall, and people just believe him. I don't think he had any ill intent behind what he was saying, but if you go and look at the numbers, it doesn't necessarily coincide. But to be able to say something like that and garner the belief is one thing that people need to be able to tap into more, including myself. So with that, analyzing speech patterns, analyzing your belief, what you give off. Even in this video, I feel like people will either tune out the stats I just said or still just believe in the first part of the video, like, oh yeah, this is what it is. When it really might not be that way. Confidence. Gotta have it. Keyword. See y'all later. Good luck. It's been your boy, True Flower Boy, aka Paper Bad. We'll be back with another video.